Minister of Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Ngige, yes, he don't come outside now, come give us another nonsense speech. Yes, oh, una go to surprise say I call her nonsense because no worry. By the time una hear about herself, my nonsense is small because some of una will even give them bigger ones. According to Ram, he say he blames the past government for strikes in Nigeria, especially when it comes to education. And he also add say present government, they talk about these present people where they rule Nigeria now. He said present government are earning less than a third of the former government's revenue. Meaning say these people now, waiting the past government be the end. Say they are this present own, their own a joke. So I bet join me, make we watch the video.
So between this period from 2015 down, coming to now that we are talking, our revenue receipt is nothing to write home about. That is why government had to go into borrowing to do capital works, to do the railways, to do our roads, to even finance portions of agriculture so that our people can get what they can eat. Airports, to renovate all our airports. The things we use in the airports are dollarized. The equipment, you get them in foreign currency. So this is where we are. And so this government, in fact, President Buhari and his government have done what Napoleon could not do. I'm telling you, not because I'm part of this government. I am really amazed that we are able to weather this storm and still fulfill so many of the obligations. Some of those monies and allowances owed them, we are paying. $1 million, 1 million barrels a day, times 30 days, times 12.
Okay, so,
Minister, we are earning 1/3 of that government end. Even, well, it's not up to 1/3. 1/3.
See as it be like can mouth. You go just come out. No, anytime when I see these people, okay, not anymore. Before, I they expect something, are they eager to listen because I won't know whether now for the betterment of the country or something. At the end, they are now just disappointment that they carry go house. What they say APC when I like to blame, like when always they look for who to blame for nonsense actions. When APC go learn to carry blame, when I go learn to take full responsibility? I dey wait for that day. I dey wait for the day where one of you go come outside and you understand, make a speech like, I know that we have not been ruling the country well, but at least that one. No, it's the truth and it is a fact. This is a sign of failure. No, check out. Anytime a leader begins to point fingers when things go wrong, he has failed. You should be looking for solution and not see. Make una stop all this blame game when they play. Stop it. No, wait till you don't solve now. As you come outside now, they talk about the past parties. I be past government. I be past part. No, wait till you don't solve. Oh yeah, the past government fine. I'm not saying that nonsense you just stop, but because it's fine. We agree with you. May we assume say we agree with you. So what have you done about it? No, what is the thing that you've done? Okay, fine, the past government have done this, but now, the way the present government, we have brought this solution. Why not? Why can't you bring up something like that? Even they complain about earnings. Say they are earning, you are earning less than a third of what they were earning before. Una sabi refuse to cut costs of governance. But una dey quick to cut salaries from government workers. That one una hand dey very sharp. Una mind dey sharp to think of nonsense. If these people really care about us, my people, they will sacrifice their salary. Not everything, but at least they suppose cut down some things. But greediness no go allow them. Greediness no go allow them. Everybody they think of in pocket. They think, you know how much these people don't chop. You know how much they still they chop up till now, and you know how much they don't save already for accounts. Not be one account. Oh, I bet I'm not even calling away accounts. You know how much? Oh, I don't even they talk of the account where they get here abroad. Una know, if only una know. Now no go listen to all this nonsense where they come out they talk. Past government. This one I just watch now. This one is part of the past government. Oh, it's part. In fact, all of una just get out. In fact, all of una just get out. Just get out. I don't tire. Make all of them get out. May we not say, okay, we just they wait. I don't see. None of una self not come out to give any speech. Nonsense. Nobody should come out and give us any speech. We don't want to hear. Shame they catch me. Shame they you know understand. I they feel shame for these people. All these old cargos. I they feel shame on top their matter. Imagine. Me when nothing even concern me. Now me even they feel shame. But they know they feel. Now why they feel come outside open mouth? Wow, they talk any nonsense when they feel like. Una go there inside una room practice nonsense. Come outside for public. Come they tell us rubbish. A good leader assume responsibilities when things go wrong, and when things go right. In fact, it not be only him they take the glory. Now everybody. That is a good leader for you. And the only thing one as Sabi do come outside the nya. I don't bring you now. Now be that Dr. Chris, our Minister of Labor and Employment. Yes, not be my own because so I beg. As soon as I don't hear, I want to know whether you there in support or you know they in support or just drop off for that comment section. Share this video, man. Nigeria, no way till this. I don't even know what I call her. Share and make they know what you don't talk. Hey, I make sure say you click on that bell and my own be that. Just click on it so that you no go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.